So once you open up the Skool website and you've logged into your account, you're going to go to that community in which you are a member. So I'm a member in Upwork Outbound. I'm going to select it. Then afterwards, go to the right side of the screen here, then scroll down a bit, then look for something which says settings. So go to settings. Now in the membership area, it's going to say you've been a member of this specific community since that date. Then all you need to do is simply select leave this group. Now it says leave Upwork Outbound free. Are you sure you want to leave this group? If you rejoin, you'll have to request membership and be approved by an admin again. So all you need to do is select leave this group. Now, if you want to join the group again, go to the right side and then select join group. Then it's going to ask you for your email address, and then it's going to say, where did you find me? Such as Twitter, YouTube, and so on. Then it's going to ask you a few questions. So in my case is, are you a freelancer or an agency owner? Then once you're done, select join group. And there you go.